Dear students, as our next experiment, we are going to find out the focal length of a given convex lens by distant object method, UV method, and UV graph method. This is the ray diagram to which you are all very familiar. This is the distant object method ray diagram. This is UV method ray diagram. This is the required tabular column for UV method. By finding the approximate focal length of the given convex lens in distant object method, we will fix the object distance values to which corresponding image distance values we are going to find out, and finally we are going to calculate the focal length of the given lens using the formula F is equal to UV by U plus V. As the first part of the experiment, we are finding out the approximate focal length of the given convex lens using distant object method. We are focusing on the distant tall building using the lens, and we have to adjust only the screen, and we should not disturb the position of the lens. Move the screen back and front till you obtain a sharp, clear image of the distant tall building on the screen to the maximum clarity and to maximum sharpness. You have to take the reading from the center of the lens stand to the center of the screen. Now the reading here is 11 centimeter. So the approximate focal length of the given convex lens is 11 centimeter. Here you can notice from the tabular column we have written focal length of convex lens by distant object method is 11 centimeter, and we have filled in the object distance U. So we will take 2F first. Now 2F is 22 centimeter. The middle reading we have marked as 22, and less than 2F we will take 2 readings. More than 2F we will take 2 readings. Since it is 22 centimeter, we have chosen the readings as 18 centimeter, 20 centimeter, 22 centimeter, 24 centimeter, and 26 centimeter as the object distance. For each object distance, we will measure the corresponding image distance, and hence we will calculate the focal length. This is the experimental setup. The source is kept in the left hand side of the lens, and the screen is placed in the right hand side of the lens, and the first reading what we have chosen is 18 centimeter from the source, and we have to adjust the screen to get the very clear and sharp image of the object. Look for the maximum clarity. So our object is the crosswire. Since it is a video, it is not, the crosswires are not very clear, but when you do the experiment, you will come to know about it. And this is the inverted image which falls on the screen. We have to measure the image distance. The image distance is 42.5 minus 18 centimeter. We have recorded the first observation. So object distance is 18 centimeter. Image distance is 24.5 centimeter. We have substituted the values in the formula. We are getting the focal length of the given convex lens as 10.38 centimeter. This is the perfect value. the distant object method is only for approximate finding of the focal length. We will go to the next set of reading where we will keep the object at a distance of 20 centimeter from the lens. Our object is the wire gauge, cross wire, so we have to take our reading from the edge of this box. Our object is not the electric bulb which is fitted inside the box, so don't make the mistake. It is from the edge of the box. The zero should start from the edge. Our second set of reading is for 20 centimeter. We have kept the lens at 20 centimeter, and you can see that we are adjusting the position of the screen to get a sharp image. So the screen is at a position of 41.2 centimeter from the object, where the lens is at 20 centimeter. The distance between the lens and the screen is image distance. Now the image distance and object distance are recorded in the tabular column, and we obtain the focal length as 10.29 centimeter, which is more or less equal to the previous value. Thus we continue our further 3 trials, and we will record our observation. We will find out the focal length, and we will plot a UV graph. From the UV graph, we will calculate the focal length. These are the 3 more readings that we have taken. It is up to you for doing the calculation for focal length and plot the graph, UV graph, and draw a bisector, and from here, using this formula, F is equal to OA plus OB by 4. So O is the origin, OA plus OB by 4 gives you the focal length of the given convex lens. We will meet in the next experiment.